Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, hot and mining, honestly, yeah, I start to do what I was expecting, but that it would start to do way much earlier than now, and nothing crazy yet. Okay, I'm not getting super enthusiastic. So we did had first of all a three-way up for the wave one, and we did had this pullback. I can call wave two. We did a wave A, a wave B, and after that I did tell you this was making a triangle. It did exploded, and is exploded a strong words. Let me go and check here. A B C D E. Da, 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 da. Yeah, under 12%. I can say explode. I feel comfortable. Okay, so now we do have this, yeah, like very nice movement to the upside. Now I want to go on the 1 hour so we have more detail. Okay, so here we are. Just want to enlarge the beginning, right? So I have a wave 1 here. I have an A, B, C for the wave 2. And now I start to do some micro counting, right? And I did, okay. So within this third wave, I can see a wave 1, a wave 2. And now the problem is, do I count this as a third wave? Because, or I could say all this is the third wave and now we're going to do the fourth, right? So for the moment, I mean, with the tools that I have, I can say, if I do the fib extension wave 1 and wave 2 in blue, the 1.618 is here, so I do feel comfortable to say, okay, I can call this third wave, and let's see if I can call that pullback a wave 4. Okay, so it looks like I can. Wave 4. Put it in blue, because we're following the count. Taking out the 0.5. So this perfect for a wave 4, and now fifth wave. Now, okay, since we are like this, so wave 1 here, can I say it was kind of an A, a B, and a C, maybe? This wave also, no, here I can see kind of 5-way, but anyway, I don't want to make micro counting now, but just to have an idea. Here I can say this third wave was an A, a B, and a C. Can I count something else? Maybe, but for the moment it's not really important. But the fifth wave I can clearly see more that it's a 3-wave. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but I do feel comfortable now to see to call this a fifth wave of the blue one, and I can start to drag up this bigger third wave here. So we did a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2. I can count for the moment 5 waves. It can change. Maybe there is a 1-2 hidden here. I mean, very possible. This is a 1-2. This is the 3. And yeah, and then this is the 4. And this is another 1-2, and this could be just a triangle wave 3. This is the 4, and we go perhaps higher. But for the moment, it does work out for me. And also the blue wave, the fifth wave, it did reach almost the 3x. So we do have the 2.618 ideal target reached, and we got a strong rejection here. So that would, that's working out as well. Now let me go and check here. So this is the bigger pullback of this third wave, right? So I'm counting all this movement here. Let me check if that's accurate. So I started here, beginning of the third wave to the end of the third wave. So these are the level I need to check now. I could actually shrink it a little bit, because otherwise sometimes when I work it, I check it on on a phone, then it's going to be a little bit harder for me. Okay, so now you can see, well, first of all, often on a fourth wave, well, the wave A like to go and visit near the level of the 0.236. Let me put it near. Are we there or what? So this is for the moment perfect. Now, I do find that it's too short, okay, because we cannot do this wave 4 pullback in one candle, right? Or almost. So it wouldn't be right if we reach this level right away. But let me see here now. If we call this a wave A, this could be the wave B already. It's a bit of a stretch because this is a very micro counting, like. So let me get the setting for the wave 2. Honestly, the 0.3, I'm going to take it out, honestly, because it's really 0.5 is a little bit acceptable, but there's really the 0.618 and the 0.786 that are the one who really counts. You can see that we did price did react to the 0.5. This could be just the A, right? Because the wave B, it's it's 3 waves. So it's A, maybe we're going to do the B, and after that we're going to do the C to reach, anywhere in this level would be okay for the wave B. And after that we're going to have ideally a 5 wave down for our wave C. So this is what I'm looking forward. And yeah, maybe this is why price is going higher, right? Because if we check the other miners, they're kind of bleeding today, except Hot and Mine. Okay, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys. I do believe now we are maybe on a good way, but this is not a deal done, and we could easily, unfortunately, price could just lose it. And if hot goes below $16.70, then it's going to invalidate all this bullishness pretty much. Then yeah, for sure there is always a way to say, okay, fine, let me give it a chance and put the 0.618 and then so now 1535. But in my opinion, if we go below 1670, we're losing, I mean, 80% of chance this is not going to work out, this bullish count, unfortunately. Also, you can see that we still didn't break this momentum line, so it could be that we do something like we did here, right? And then we keep going up. So for the moment, I'm still holding calm. I'm not selling my stuff yet. I did take some profit at the where was it here? At 22.20. I did add a sell order there, and I just took a partial profit. I'm going to scale back in if it goes to the 0.382 at 18.16. A little bit more if it goes to 16.70, and definitely will get out. If I'm going to give a little bit of margin or space to the market, but if we drop clearly below 15.35, then I'm going to drop out. And yeah, this is pretty much all for hot mining. But yeah, expectations are very high now, because if we manage to do a proper wave 4 and a hold, then this fifth wave it's going to go, yeah. So it means if Bitcoin managed to finish fourth wave and start to do that fifth wave, and we can complete that bigger third wave, Then Bitcoin is going to do a fourth wave, a bigger one, which will imply that hot and mining, but that time is going to make something like so, and then reach 5 waves, and then when Bitcoin is going to do its bigger wave 4, well, hot and mining is going to do an A, B, C. So here would be a nice level to maybe dollar cost average out and taking profits, and scale back when we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to reach the levels for the optimal level for wave 4. Well, anyway, when we get there, we will focus on that. But for a moment, yeah, smaller wave 4 for a moment, expecting this fifth wave yet to come. And here we should start to think about taking profits. Are we going to have a skyrocketing movement, price movement like this? I don't think so. Well, for sure, we can make extension on the fifth wave. We shall see. That depends on how Bitcoin high is going to go on his fifth wave as well. All right, so hopefully it wasn't too long. 11 minutes, damn. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.